friends, it's me, Putri. So, today I'm gonna show you my room, but before the video start, I just want to say something that my camera quality is not that good, so I put some filter on that. I hope you understand. So maybe the color on this video is not the true color on my stuff. I'm sorry about that. So yeah, let's go to the first corner. Oh, like this. Yeah, the first corner I'm gonna show you is my door. As you can see, I have a bunch of stuff I hang up on my command hook. I have my jeans, my jacket, and my hoodie. And also, I hang up my belts. I have two. And this is a jumping rope. I don't know why I hang up at this door, but I have grown up taller, so I just put this on my door so I can do it anytime when I want. Yeah, when I want to do a jumping rope, I just do it in this little space. It's enough, I think. Moving on, I have this little storage. I'm not using it often, so I just cover it with blanket. At the top of this storage, I have a bunch of stuff. My body care. Don't mind about it. This is my broken mirror. Hi. And some candies. And this is my study text. Let's go closer. In this part, I have my snacks. It's springless. The red one is original flavor, and the green is, I forget it, sour cream and onion flavor. This is my feather duster and some clips. Moving down here, I have this all of my books. Oh yeah, for your information, when I was on high school, I took a science, like this, science. But for the final exams, I took a social, so that's why I have two type of books. One is science and one is social. Book 10 is my How to Talk in Japanese book. The reason why I bought this book is I like anime back then when I'm on elementary school until junior high school. So this is the comic that I have. It's random, right? I have Quran. I put some reminders. 4. And this one is my favorite. This one is from Sriracha song, Double Note. Like mate, stop procrastinating. So I hope I stop procrastinate something when I see this. Here I have a sunflower seed. For this section is my favorite. I have my skincare over there. I have my cream clock, some post-it. I draw something on it like plant with grow up and sunflower with sunshine and this one with study. Okay, I have some picture over there. This is Youngkei. Oh, this is Youngkei from Day 6. This is Jay. This is the full member of Day 6. This is Wonpil. And this one is my favorite, Christopher Pangchan.
Hi.
And here I have my old phone case. This is my laptop and some stuff. Actually, this section is where online classes and studying. So I'm studying here. And here is my everyday to go bag. I hang up some keychain. This is from my study tour from Kertalangu, Bali. I'm not gonna show you my face because my face is from my graduation, and this is Tata with a little bell. And now it's time to show you my comfort zone. It's double spring bed. I cover it with green color and feather pattern, and this is my blanket. I know this too is not matched in the color, but I try to make it connect with same pattern. And this is my roommate Dobby, and this is this bunny. Here I save my earphone and scrunchie. For my bed, this is like face to face with that mirror, so when I wake up I can see a terrible face on that mirror like Princess Anna. Who is it? Okay, I'm done with the room tour. This is what I have so far. I hope I can improve something in the future, and I hope you enjoy the video, and bye.